Good day, everyone. We are grade 12 STEM students.
Also known as the Denver. Of course, we have experiment. Experiment time now!
Uncooked eggshells contains a high level of calcium, which is essential nutrients for plants. When it crushed and added to the soil, the eggshells release calcium over time, helping to improve soil's structure and fertility. In addition, eggshells are a sustainable and natural alternative chemical fertilizer that reducing reliance on synthetic products that may harm the environment. There are different procedures in making the natural fertilizer. The first thing we need to do is to sanitize the eggshells with a clean water.
After sanitizing the eggshells, let's put the eggshells into a blender. Using this method, the eggshells crush faster and turns into powder with the help of the blender.
After crushing the eggshell, let's put it into a clean container. After putting the crushed eggshells into the container, let's add some vinegar.
Mixing vinegar with crushed eggshells can produce an interesting chemical reaction. When the acetic acid in the vinegar comes into contact with the calcium carbonate in the eggshells, it causes the eggshells to dissolve. This reaction releases carbon dioxide gas, which can be seen as bubbles forming. The resulting solution contains calcium acetate, which has a variety of uses, such as in the production of certain foods and pharmaceuticals.
After a few minutes, let's add 1 liter of water into the container.
After the initial reaction, you can add water. The water will help dissolve any remaining solid eggshell pieces in the acetic acid, creating a solution that can be used.
And this is the final product of our experiment.
Here's the end result.
After the final making of our experiment, we will have to wait 3 to 4 days before using it as an alternative natural fertilizer, making them a cost-effective and eco-friendly option for improving soil health. That's all, and thank you.